In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this Apple ID has been locked for security reasons on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Type in iforgot.apple.com. Once you're in this website, click on the option Reset Password, enter your Apple account email address and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and create a new password. Once the password has been reset, return to your iPhone and sign in with the new password. If you have another trusted Apple device that's already signed in with the same Apple account, you can reset your password directly from that device. For that, launch Settings. Click on your Apple ID, click on Sign in and Security, click on Change Password. Type in your passcode. Now from here you can generate new password. After resetting your password, try signing in again on your locked iPhone. If your account is still locked after resetting the password, make sure your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular internet connection, then restart your device. Then launch Settings, go to General, go to Date and Time. Make sure you have toggle on for the options set automatically, as incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause sign-in issues. If you have tried everything and your Apple account remains locked, you will need to contact Apple support. Apple may ask you to verify your identity before restoring access to your account, especially if additional security checks are required. And that's it. Now you know how to fix this Apple account has been locked for security reasons you were on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.